Today, let's explore how your thoughts and beliefs can shape your reality, using examples from nature. Tip 1. Just like this seed, believe you are already what you wish to become. Act as if your desires are already fulfilled and watch them grow.
Tip 2. Flow like water.
Stay in the state of your wish fulfilled, no matter the obstacles. Persist in your belief until it manifests. Tip 3. Embrace transformation. Nature shows us that change is constant. Adopt your new identity and let go of the old. Tip 4. Bloom with confidence. Nature doesn't rush, it simply unfolds. Trust the process and know that your desires are blossoming in perfect timing. Remember, nature teaches us that what we believe, we become. Practice these tips daily and watch your reality transform. Believe it. Act as if. Become it.